Hello everyone, here we have a little bit of a blind test. Which microphone am I actually talking through right now? The Blue Snowball Ice, that is around $100, or the Blue Yeti, which is about double the price. Now this comparison will be a little bit different from other YouTube videos because in this video we'll be trying to find out what should you do. Should you just add acoustical treatment around you, or should you spend more money on a more expensive microphone? Or if you spend more money on a more expensive microphone and add absolutely no acoustical treatment, will it be worth it? Or is it just better to spend less on a microphone and add treatment? We'll be doing all of those tests in this video. Which option is going to be the best for you? Now, I just changed microphone. Right now we are fully isolated, fully acoustic panels and acoustic foams, but we will try to see what both microphones sounds like without any acoustic foam or treatment, but at least we'll be able to find out what sounds better. Because really, if you're only doing podcasting, all you need is a cheaper microphone and a isolation box. If you're wondering how to actually make your very own little vocal box, video right up here, it's super easy. All you need is a cardboard box, a few of these, and a little bit of time and a little bit of glue. And in that video, you'll be able to hear with this microphone what it sounds like. All right, so right now, we are fully isolated. We have acoustical panels all around us. I have the microphone right in front of me. So what are you paying for this microphone over this microphone? Well, a lot of what you're actually paying is the functionality of this microphone. There's a lot of different functions on the back of it. Now, just to make clear, I have done absolutely no audio editing post-production on this video. So everything that you're hearing is unedited. So the biggest difference really between these two microphones is that this one has settings on the microphone itself. This one has not. This one you'll have to go in and try your best to edit the sound as best as you can. And with this microphone, you can up the gain. As you can hear, it's changing because if you're a little bit further from the microphone, you might want to have the gain risen up a little bit. I tried to read what it says behind there, but I have a hard time because the light is blinding me. Now, is that the only big difference? The settings, or is it going to just sound better? Let's find out. So this is the sound of just this microphone, $200, and let's switch it to the other. Now this is what it sounds like with the Blue Snowball Ice with the acoustic treatment. As you can see, I just placed a bunch of acoustical panels all around me. This is how I usually do my videos because I am in quite a large room. So if I don't really put the acoustic panels kind of in front of me and I just leave them on the wall, then it just leaves a lot of room for reverberation. So now let's take out all of the acoustical treatment and just see how this microphone sounds without any treatment, if it actually makes a difference. Let's find out. I'll have links in the description below of acoustical foam, acoustical panels, and of course the Blue Snowball Ice and the Blue Yeti microphone. Now these links will lead you to Amazon. They're affiliate links and they give me a small commission to support my work. So if you like to support me, then use those links to buy the products that I promote. It doesn't cost anything more to you whatsoever, and it at least gives you the ability to support my work. All right, now this is what the Blue Snowball Ice sounds like with absolutely no acoustical treatment whatsoever. So even while I am talking right now to you, I can hear a little bit of the reverberation just with my ears. So obviously you'll be able to hear a little bit. So this is what, if you're just wanting to do a podcast and you have absolutely no acoustical treatment, that's what it's going to sound like with also no sound editing with this Blue Snowball Ice. Now let's see if buying a more expensive microphone actually makes it so you don't really need acoustical treatment. Let's find out. So this is the Blue Yeti with absolutely no acoustical treatment. As I said, right now I can hear the reverberation in my ear as I talk. I can hear the difference. However, can you hear the difference at home with this more expensive microphone? Does it sound just as good or not as good as with the full acoustic treatment in the beginning of the video. Now let's run a comparison test right now just to give you a back-to-back of what both microphones sounds like with acoustical treatment and without acoustical treatment. Right now we are fully isolated, fully acoustic panels and acoustic foams, but we will try to see what both microphones sounds like without any acoustic foam or treatment. Now, this is what the Blue Snowball Ice sounds like with absolutely no acoustical treatment whatsoever. So even while I am talking right now to you, I can hear a little bit of the reverberation just with my ears. So obviously you'll be able to hear a little bit. So this is the Blue Yeti with absolutely no acoustical treatment. As I said, right now I can hear the reverberation in my ear as I talk. I can hear the difference. However, can you hear the difference at home with this more expensive microphone? Does it sound just as good or not as good as with the full acoustic treatment? All right, so right now, we are fully isolated. We have acoustical panels all around us. I have the microphone right in front of me. So there you have it. Is it worth spending the money to buy a bunch of acoustic panels or to build acoustical panels? Here, I'll just put this right beside me and see if it actually changes. And some people actually do this. You can just put a couple of acoustical panels beside you. It's more feasible if you're just podcasting and you're not actually doing a video, because if you're doing a video and you're like squishing your face against an acoustical panel just to make the sound more dead, then you might as well just build your little isolation booth or box. Now, this acoustical panel is something that I just dented. It is something that I just built. Now, these acoustical panels will only cost you about 10% the price of these professionally built acoustical panels. Now, these acoustical panels are, well, I'm going to have them completely destroyed before this video is over. They work very nice, and they are worth what the price is. But you can just buy some material and build your very own acoustical panel by watching that video. If you have a big room, that's where the acoustical panels will really shine. However, if you have a very small room, then you can kind of get away with just using cheap acoustical foam and just putting it all around you on the walls. That is more if you have a smaller room. But if you have a large, long room like I have here, then acoustical panels will work much better than the foam. I'll also have a Patreon page that I'm opening up, so you can join a Patreon with added extras that won't be available on the YouTube channel, at least not yet. So I'll try to build a few perks for people on my Patreon to be able to support my work, but I also don't really want just people paying a membership without getting anything in return extra. So I want to make new content just for those Patreons to really say thank you for supporting my work. If you want to join my Patreon, link in the description below with different tiers to join. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, and also in the comment below, let me know what you think between these two microphones, and also did I make a good decision buying this new microphone to do my videos? Let me know. It really helps with the algorithm if you leave a comment and also click the like button. Thank you very much.